Now here is where Claude gets really powerful. Before we start building our node application, we are going to use plan mode. Instead of letting Claude just start coding, we tell it think first, plan everything, and then execute. This is how professionals use AI, not just as a code monkey, but as a software architect. So here, first thing is I will clear this session here again just by using clear command to make sure that we got an empty context window again. And here is the first prompt I will send to Claude Code. This is my prompt. Build a premium startup quality node application. Check all application detail in SPEC.md file. Now we feed the prompt. So here we should press Shift plus Tab combination to enter in plan mode. I am here already in the plan mode, but you can change to different mode by pressing the combination Shift plus Tab. This is auto mode. I don't need it right now. This is plain mode and this is the auto mode. So this is also the accept edit mode, but right now I want a plan mode. So plan mode is a mode where Claude Code will first gather some relevant information before starting work, and it asks for your permission before edit any file of your project. It starts by exploring the project and then create a plan that how we can move forward. So now let's enter. So here Claude asked me for a permission. Claude reads so many files. In fact, it reads specification file as well. And now Claude asks for a permission. Claude asks questions that how should authentication work for your notification app. Obviously, notification applications has authentication, but this is a demo project and I am not using authentication right now. So I will choose option first. Now the second question is, are supervised credentials available or should I scan full environment setup only? I will choose second option because I have URL and a key. So I will provide it later. How should the tabs be structured? Replace with node, search, profile. Actually, it wants to repurpose the existing tabs with the new one. So here the first option is, Claude saying that it fit with our specification. So I will choose the first option here. Now it is asking for the styling approach. It is asking, do you want to use native wind or you want to go with style shade? So I can choose any of these two options. Mostly I work with style shade, but in my specification I write down the native wind. So the first option is the native wind. So I will follow the specification right now. So the last question is, are you ready to submit your answers to Claude Code? Yes, I want to submit my answers. So here Claude generated a full structured plan. And if we choose this plan, if we find out this plan is perfect for our execution, then we can exit the plan mode by using the combination of Shift plus Tab. So here in this Claude plan, Claude explain everything about this project, that what we are going to use. Claude write down the folder structure, that inside the folder we have one nodes list screen, search screen and profile screen. Also mentioned about the components and the hooks that Claude will use inside this project, and also Claude telling about the supervise and the tables, and also define the components that Claude going to use inside this project. And this is the screen descriptions that Claude will use. Tab, and inside the tab there is insert.asx file and one more screen profile.asx file inside this tab, and this is some kind of theme information, and this is the execution order. So this is the whole structure that Claude planned for us for our application. So here if we check that Claude asks for permission again. Claude has written up a plan and is ready to execute. Would you like to proceed? So this is something that is under control. This is our wish. If we like the plan, we can select yes options. So the first option is use auto mode. Second is manually approve the edits. So if we choose second option, then every time, when Claude try to edit any file, then it asks for the permission. But if you choose this first option, then it automatically added the files with the changes. This is auto mode, which automatically edit your files. So this is up to you which option you want to choose. So right now I will prefer manually approve edits. So I will press second option. But if you are a vibe coder or you don't have much time to sit and approve permissions every time, then you can select this first option. This is also very good option to start with your new project. If you are a vibe coder or a new coder, and if you want control over your code, then you can select this manual approve edit option. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe for more related content, and if you have any doubt related to the video, then do comment. So happy coding and bye bye.